Well, now everyone, thank you for tuning in Doucette Mobile Auto Service. And today, some new tools, baby. Oh yeah, nice little tool haul. So stay tuned, I'll show you what I got. Let's go. Alright everyone, haha, new tools, baby. Gotta love that. What I got. First one on the list. Remember this light on tools I'm proud to own? Remember this brown light? I told you I got 2 of them. You can go ahead and make that 3 of them. You heard me? Just gonna tag team with this on my mobile work and at home work. I like these lights so much. I got another one, and probably on the other 2 home will give me another one. I like these lights, and you can find coupons for these all day. So, boom, got the bronze light. Number 2, I said number 2 tool on this tool haul. Ooh, what I got? Bam! Got me old trusty Husky hammer, dead blow style. First one I own. I like these type of hammers. I was at the Home Depot. I said, man, you know what? Let me try these dead blows from Home Depot, made by Husky. Feels good. What is this? This is a 27 ounce. Little boom boom. And then they also got some other hammers. If I need a bigger size, I can step up to. And if I want to go there, Harbor Freight also sells some dead blows. Y'all be in that where they made from and all that. Yeah, I understand. This is a cheap China. It might not last. It might last. It might end up on a list in a year or two. Tools I'm proud to own. I don't know. We're gonna see if it holds up. I'm gonna put it to the test though. Like the grip. They feel better than the Harbor Freights to me. I held them. My dad, he got a set of the Harbor Freight dead blows. They work. Yeah. So second tool on the list was a Husky dead blow, 27 ounce. Let's see what we got next. All right, next on this tool haul, I got a step stool. Something I needed to be with me motorably. I got some at the house. I got some at the home shop. But I wanted something to keep with me. And this is Harbor Freight again. The working platform step stool. You turn it kind of like a suitcase. It was easy to storage up like. Let's pull this thing out. Shit, I like that already. Not too much in the box. BS. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, there's a little lock on it. That's good. Has a little lock on it. Ain't going nowhere. Ooh, I feel like Shaquille O'Neal. So yeah, something that I needed. Good, stabilized, portable step stool. See how, yeah. Something I just fold up. Carry like that. Oh, I like this, y'all. Carry like that. Find this home somewhere and make it part of my arsenal. On to the next tool. I got another tool on the on this tool haul. Before I show you that tool, let me show you what I've been working with. I got a set of these soft comfort grit Husky screwdrivers. This is 2 of them, but I got the whole set. Okay screwdrivers. I ain't throwing them away, still be used. And these are my first and only Craftsman you could get at Lowe's, not Sears. A little kind of hard, handle with a grip. These are okay. Like I said, I ain't throwing them away, nothing, they still will be used. You know? Okay, screwdrivers. But while I got on this 2-haul, I got this Carlisle set. You know, I didn't want to get no snap-ons, spend the money on that. Didn't want to spend the money on no Macos, Cornwells, Mac, none of that. Carlisle was one of my favorite tool brands. I seen them for the right price. I snatched them up. Let's open this right quick. Ooh. Ooh. That one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This by grabbing that handle, it feels my hand like I got a better grip on this screwdriver. Yo yeah. And maybe in time, you know, like I said, it'll be on the list of tools I'm proud to own. Cause look like these will hold up. I just don't, you know, put the little wrench on just in case you need a little something, or slide a screwdriver with a little more leverage. So I'm gonna call these a professional grade screwdriver right here, made by Carlisle. Get it from Napa. Look at that Phillips. It's the Phillips. Good hard tips. Oh yeah, yeah. Gonna get good use out of these. So that was the Carlisle screwdrivers. Now let's see what else we got on this 2-haul. All right, guys. Next on this 2-haul, I just need some supplies for the truck when I'm mobile. I got some hose clamps, you know, Harbor Freight, but I'm sure they work just as good as any other ones. Some hose clamps. I hate the kind you need pliers for. I'd rather use these. So anytime I mess with the cooling system, I like putting one of these on it to replace it. So some hose clamps. I also didn't have no type of heat shrink. I picked up a little heat shrink, Harbor Freight. And I got some heat shrink butt connectors. I like these, you know. So that's just a few items I picked up from Harbor Freight. All right, next on the 2-haul, I got some swivel impact sockets. Deep, not the shallow. These are deep. I got shallows. I need some deeps. 3/8 inch drive. I put the rubber band on there. I gotta get a socket rail for these. But until then, I'm gonna wrap the rubber band. There they go. Size is 10 all the way to 19 with no skips. Look like they got a good swivel on them. Yeah. I like using swivel sockets. I had no deep in my arsenal. I had to get some deep ones. 3/8 inch drive. Yeah. These are not Carlisle. These are Napa Professional impact sockets. Probably just as good as Carlisle Napa Professional. I don't know, like I said, I put my tools to use. I use my tools. I don't just buy and collect them, you know. If I collect them, I'm going to use them eventually. So yeah, waiting to use these. So there you go. Napa Professional, 3/8 inch drive, deep impact sockets. Let's see what else we got on this tool haul. Alright, y'all remember this tool? Earthquake. Get that Harbor Freight 3-inch drive electric ratchet. Now if you watch my other video, tools I'm proud of own, episode 1, you know I told you I ain't gonna say a replacement, but I had got another 3/8 electric ratchet. So let's see which one I choose to get. You ready? BAM! Mako, baby. I went with Mako. People mess with Snap-on and stuff like that. I like Mako tools. Let's see what we got. Come in the box. Unfold that thing. Ooh. Fancy little carrying bag. Ooh. Let's see what we got in here. One, two. And I got a battery for the smaller system. Pull this bad boy off. Comes with a charger too. See what we got here. I get juice. Got a little juice. Ooh, got a little light on it. Like it. Let me do a little comparison, because I've been working with this Earthquake, and nothing wrong with this ratchet. I ain't gonna lie to you, nothing wrong with this one. You know, this one feels a little more like top heavy, like you want to fall. Got a little more weight to it, but it feels like it's stronger material. This feature, which I like, I do, you know, people don't like, some people don't like it, some people do like it. I like to know, like, kind of where my battery juice is, so I can keep it frying. I might have to go get another battery soon or not. They say this band is dead on me, and then it's like, oh, I'm cursing something out, you know. So I like that feature. I think I'm gonna like that light too, because I do jobs that sometimes I have to work in the dark. That little light come in handy. If you're a mechanic, you know how lights come in handy. I keep a light in my pocket. I wear a headlight. You see me buying these bronze lights from Harbor Freight. But this Mako ratchet here, it's the right name, folks. I'll give y'all. This is the high-speed 3/8-inch drive ratchet. See if I can find a part number for you guys. In case y'all want to get y'all look into it. Here you go. MCL 1638R8. Alright. So seems like you got a little more motion. Seems like a little faster than the Earthquake. That's a plus. But like I said, I'm gonna have to put this to use to really let you know what's going on. This is my first impressions, new tool, and I think I can like this. All right. That's it for that tool. Let's see what we got next. All right, y'all. Last tools on the list. It's pry bars. Now, before I show you the new pry bars I got, let me show you what I was working with before. People got things against Harbor Freight, call it Harbor Freight fake, China Freight, whatever y'all want to call it. But my advice to the new techs in the game: don't worry about tool brand, man. Get you some tools. I don't care if it's Harbor Freight or what. That gets you in the game first. You understand what I'm saying? These Pittsburgh from Harbor Freight pry bars, are they the best? Hell no, these ain't the best tools. But I tell you what. You know what I'm saying? They got me in the game. You heard me? I got these cheap ones. I don't know if these are all of them. I can't remember. I got these cheap ones. These are cheap too. These are the big boys. And I'm still going to be using these. I ain't been these are nothing. I'm still going to be using these big daddies. Oh, yeah. But I know eventually I will have to upgrade, you know what I'm saying? But these will get you in the game. It gotta be in the game and it lasts, and I'm still gonna use it. I ain't taking no tools away. And this is the power bars I got now. See, I got the Mako 4-piece power bar set. You know, like I said, I deal with Mako, what they we call them at work the rebranded king, because you can find a lot of Mako tools from different spots. You know, maybe for cheaper, just rebranded. But I still mess with the Mako dealer, man. He cool, man. And, he always look out for me. But to show you power bars. Ooh, got a 4 set. Got a little daddy with the striking cap. Like I said, if y'all care, you USA made. One size bigger. Striking cap. Like the grip better. Next size bigger. With the striking cap. And it's the biggest one that comes in the set right here. I don't know if y'all are going to be able to pick this up, but that's USA made, all of them. USA made. Striking cap. You know. I just want to look at a little difference. Like I said, these Pittsburghs been working for me. We're gonna see what these Makos got. So yeah, that's my tool haul. And let's recap. Alright, thank y'all for choosing Doucette Mobile Auto Service. Hope you enjoyed my little tool haul. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. If you want to see more content of me, please think about subscribing to my channel. You know, I'll be thankful if you do. I'm still going to come with more videos regardless, so check me out. And go ahead and comment, you know what I'm saying? Holler at me, I'll holler back, you heard me? So until then, one and gone.